it's game day. This is when all the hard work pays off. And I don't just mean for the players. This is when the full power of the NFL Next Gen Stats platform is let loose. Literally millions of data points are being processed, analyzed, and shared with fans in real time. So let's check it out. What's the energy like on game day in the office?
Well, first and foremost, we are football fans. And so just like the fan at home, we are reacting to the ups and downs of the outcome of all 273 games a year.
Game days are a big deal. Obviously, Next Gen Stats, we don't exist without the game on the field. And so it is a mix of excitement, anticipation. Additionally, there's a lot of pressure to make sure that we are processing correctly.
Walk me through game day for someone working on the Next Gen Stats platform from pregame to postgame.
We have 3 different groups on game days. We have our engineers, we have our QA team, and we have our analysts. So our engineering team is processing all of the data in real time. Our QA team is making sure that all of the events are well calibrated, that there's no issues in the data. And our analyst team is evaluating that data in real time and communicating it to the broadcast directly.
So how do these analysts find these stories to surface to the broadcasters?
One of the things we've done to equip our researchers on game day is to build QuickSight dashboards.
Our researchers wanted all of our data to be available within QuickSight. And so the moment that a play has been processed, it is available to be queried against QuickSight.
Do the researchers have the ability to write like custom queries and create their own views of the data then?
They do. They've got dashboards for passing or rushing or defense. But if they want to pursue a particular storyline, they'll create their own dashboard for a particular matchup.
When we rebuilt our dashboards this past year, we went from going from 45 different analyses to only 14 with the same amount of information. And so QuickSight allows us to aggregate all of these stats at a very flexible and dynamic level, which enables us to do any type of analysis across any stat, across any filter, across our whole database.
How do you integrate your data with live NFL broadcast systems?
So we have researchers who are communicating with the broadcast directly, but what we've also done is create a series of APIs that the broadcast can integrate directly. And this allows for less friction and less time that it takes to go to air with a graphic. And so broadcasters are leaning more into our pre-built API-driven graphics, and because of that, you see more next-gen stats on Sundays.
NFL Next Gen Stats uses Amazon API Gateway to share its data with partners. Instead of connecting external users directly to internal systems, API Gateway sits in front, acting as a managed entry point. It handles authentication, rate limiting, and logging, so only approved users can access specific data, and only at defined usage levels. Incoming requests can be validated and transformed before they're passed along to backend services, whether that's a database, an analytics pipeline, or a machine learning model. API Gateway also supports encryption mechanisms, monitoring, and integration with other AWS security services, helping ensure data is delivered reliably and securely, even during high traffic moments like live games. So looking forward, what are you excited about in the future of Next Gen Stats?
What I'm excited about is the advancement in technology that might be able to provide us a greater ability to capture the game in a digital way. And so one aspect that we are pursuing is optical tracking.
With optical tracking, we can now estimate a full pose of a player.
Not just X and Y for a player, but their skeletal data. So we know where their arms are gonna look like, how far they're stretched out. And so I think that's the next evolution of Next Gen Stats that I'm really excited for.
The possibilities of this data set are truly endless, and by combining both RFID and optical tracking, that is how we believe we can unlock the next generation of stats.